Hello and welcome to Humphrey's Kitchen. Today we're making a favorite of ours, Cajun Chicken Alfredo. Let's start by seasoning our meats. I'm using a pre-made Cajun seasoning today to save some time. We have two choices I've used before, Slap Your Mama or Paul Prudhomme's Blackened Seafood Magic. I usually use the Blackened Seafood Magic, but today we'll use Slap Your Mama. We'll go ahead and season the shrimp first. Don't go too heavy on this seasoning, it tends to be a little salty. Next we'll slice our chicken breast. I'm slicing 1/4-inch pieces. You can slice yours to the thickness you prefer. Just remember that the thicker the slice, the longer it will take to cook. Lastly, we'll season it. Next is pasta. I'm using spaghetti noodles from Dbsp. Use what pasta you like and cook to the preferred doneness. Save a cup of the pasta water when done. We'll need that for the finishing sauce. While our pasta is cooking, let's finish our prep. As far as onions go, I'm using a sweet one, a little contrast to the Cajun seasoning. I'm slicing this to about 1/8 of an inch. I'm using green and red bell peppers here, but you can use whatever color you like. It's more about the presentation than taste. Orange or yellow would also look great in this dish. I'm slicing them about 1/4 of an inch. Feel free to experiment with thicker or thinner slices. Lastly, we finish our prep with the garlic. I'm dicing these fine. I'm also using 4 cloves, but I'm only using 2 in the dish. As always with cooking, it's about your taste buds. Add or subtract how much garlic you like. Now that the vegetables and garlic are prepped, let's par cook our seasoned chicken. This should only take about 10 minutes total. We will finish cooking this when we assemble the final dish. Now the chicken is done, let's shred our Parmesan cheese. I'm using Pecorino Romano and Parmesan Reggiano. Sometimes it's hard to find these in small towns, so feel free to substitute with just Parmesan. It will still taste great. It's time to put it all together. We'll start with our peppers and onions in a pan with a little olive oil. We'll saute these for a few minutes and then add our shrimp and sausage. I keep the pan fairly dry, not adding too much oil. I do add more oil, but I add it sparingly. The fat from the Andouille sausage will help. Here I add a little bit more oil. It just needed it. I only add pepper to the onions and pepper. Again, the Cajun seasoning is salty, so I don't add any extra salt. We can adjust it later if we need. Once these ingredients have cooked for a bit, let's add our chicken. This should only take a couple additional minutes since they are par cooked. Now that everything's cooked, let's add the garlic. I'm only using about 2 cloves here. Add more or less to yours. Once that is cooked for a minute, we add our cooked pasta. Here I'm adding about a quarter cup of pasta water that we saved from cooking our pasta. We can always add more if needed. My heat is set at medium-low. Next I'll add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mix until melted. Lastly, we add our Parmesan cheese, mixing thoroughly until a nice creamy sauce is made. Once the sauce has thickened and is the consistency we'd like, it's done. Now it's time to plate and enjoy. This is a dish we enjoy occasionally. It's a special occasion dish. We hope you and your family and friends enjoy this as much as we do. Like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, please take care.